bring you on the adventure of my bike today. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna take this bad boy right here. Wow. My little fucking brother. He left me all by myself. Doing this alone. Oh, little dick foot.
This one fall off.
I know. That's why I'm doing it. Because you only live once. Fuck my life. Why did I say that? Fuck.
Let's say it falls off and breaks.
I don't care. Let's get a new phone.
If mine falls well, then you taking that off yours?
But yes.
Alright.
Well, you're not even gonna help me? What a fucking dickhead. What?
My fucking apple fell off and got smushed by a goddamn car!
I knew you were gonna make an excuse like that today.
Damn.
Yeah, it's not like you were looking forward to eating that apple.
I was looking forward to eating that apple.
Okay, just make 1, 2 more. 1,
That might fall off.
2,
That's it.
3.
That's
Wait, no,
it.
for the back because it's probably in the back. 4.
Okay, that's it!
Okay, so let's go. YouTube, you will experience what it feels like to be biking with me. Okay, wait. Hope it's playing. Okay, we'll see if the video. Wait, shit! I don't know.
What?
I don't know if it's playing. Can't tell. Let's play. Alright, let's go. Let's go, come on, Adin.
Fast?
Woo!
Fast? Yo, look at the apple.
Where? Oh, shit.
Do you think it's gonna fall off?
Yeah.
What?
So, yeah. So, excuse me. This is for YouTube. We're gonna keep doing these videos. One day it's gonna be me and him doing scooters, bikes, maybe in a car. We'll never know. The motorcycle. We'll never know the mysteries of YouTube. Say hi to YouTube. Whoa! Yeah. You'll never know what we can encounter in YouTube. Have to fix that. 34. Yeah, it's not very cool. Trying to leave? Yeah, we're just waiting for the That's what happens when I'm like fixing up my wheel. So it's making that sound. See? So yeah, like I said, this is gonna be on my brother's YouTube channel.
What is?
This video.
On yours?
No, on yours. I don't have your YouTube account, you fucking retard. Come on, let's go. So, me and my brother, we're thinking about doing a second channel together because our channels are separate. We're thinking about doing a second channel of YouTube. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can hear me. I hope you guys can. But, when you got... Bernie! If you guys vote vote for Bernie, your kids won't have to pay for college.
I know.
You won't have to pay for college.
Yeah,
Hopefully.
yeah,
So study,
yeah, I will.
but enjoy the weekend.
Okay, you too. Yeah. Bernie Sanders. Bernie Sanders is the best. Guys, for all my subscribers out there, love you all. Vote for Bernie, cause if you vote for Bernie Sanders, then your kids won't have to go to won't have to pay for college if they don't get a scholarship. Right? Hey, right? Oh, it's a bump. It's a bump. Ah. Your kids won't have to pay for college. And subscribers out there, it really helps. And it really helps me a lot. What? Bernie! 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 People don't have to go to college. I mean, people don't have to pay for college. We won't have to pay for college if Bernie becomes president. Yeah! That faggot Trump is gonna try to ban Muslims from America. Okay, faggot's a bad word. I'll say that. Okay, I'm a curse. Good. Now I have to put that shit in context. Fuck. I have to bleep you out for that now. Oh, buddy. This fucking blonde ass hair. And he looks like Satan took a shit on him. He's born as fucking. He looks just like him.
Have you ever seen him?
Trump looks just like him. Okay, so yeah, that was like the moment of why I feel doggy. Yeah, so I want Bernie Sanders to become president because fuck, I don't think if you guys can hear me, I fucking hope this I'm playing. Bernie, 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 Bernie. Trump is gonna suck a dick. Fuck Trump. Okay, we gotta shout Bernie. 3, 2, 1. Bernie! 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 What?
Can you vote?
What?
Can you vote yet?
But if I could, I would
Vote
have.
for Bernie, right?
What? Yeah.
There you go.
So because I want my dad to vote for Bernie.
Trump should suck a dick, right?
Yeah, Trump is a lump. Trump is a piece of shit. Trump is a big lump. Whoever is voting for Trump, fuck you. What social media is it going on?
No, it's not going to go on social media. I don't have social media.
I mean, like, I wouldn't mind, but like.
We have a political website.
Whoever votes for Trump is ignorant and racist.
What?
Whoever votes for Trump is ignorant and racist.
Vote for Bernie so I don't have to pay for college. Vote for Bernie so I don't have to pay for college.
What vote for us to get banned from America?
Yeah.
Hillary Clinton is a hoe.
Shut up. Yo. Chill. Don't say that. Donald Trump is a lump. Donald Trump is a lump. Vote for Bernie. Vote for Bernie. Vote for Bernie.
Stop doing something.
Bernie. Oh, let's go. Yeah, we're going to Union Square, and then after this, we're going to be going to Washington Square Park. Bernie. Oh, there is. Look, for Bernie. There. Right there.
In the circle?
Yeah. Right there, Addison. I see him. Excuse me.
You know I'm free.
Okay, we're going all the way over there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Right there. There's like big protest with Bernie Sanders. When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. Okay, Ali, come on, this way. Cause I sure would like some sweet company when I'm gone. When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. What the fuck am I saying? Come on, Bernie! Bernie, 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 Bernie.
여기 와 오늘.
Walk your bike.
Oh, okay, so
What are you doing? Stop.
I'm not a bum.
Stop doing that
I think let's go to Washington Square Park.
What?
Let's go to Washington Square Park. I came here to ride my bike.
You're taking this thing off, are you?
This?
Yeah. It looks so retarded.
It does.
Alright.
Let's take it off. Let's go sit down.
What?
Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. Vote for Bernie. Subscribe to become a pro today. Subscribe to become a subscriber today. Get it? So yeah, I'm gonna take this thing off and I'm gonna end my video there.